I just recently looked at the date and I'm like, wow, I just realized something. Today is Game Center Challenge number 2. Game Center Competition number 2. We're starting this today! Woohoo! So if you guys are oblivious to what we're doing, you can check out my website in the description. And then go to the GCC tab. And then scroll all the way down to the bottom. I will have the top 3 posted there daily until the competition is over, and it will end October 12th. I'll update it sometime later today, so if it's saying there's no current things posted, I'll get them up. Also keep in mind, this is Fruit Ninja, free or paid, but if you have the paid version, you can also, you have to use Classic. That's why I'd rather have you use the free version, but either one I'll still put you in the scores. So yeah, thanks for watching. Go get them, guys. Yep, this is your competition. Well, this is my competition, but do what you want with this, okay? You go for it. Like, it's not that hard, but just try. Peace.